This is the Iron Trader. It is Thursday morning, so as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now, yesterday at 4:30, the API numbers came out, and you had a draw in crude of 4.4 million barrels. You had a build in gasoline of 1.6 million barrels, a build in distillates of 0.6 million, and a build at Cushing at 0.3 million. Now, the EIA for natural gas will be at 10:30, and then the EIA report for crude oil will be here at 11 o'clock today. So we'll see if this is all confirmed. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude, your daily and your weekly chart. Okay, now I was always been pointing out this key 50 SMA here for resistance. Now, yesterday it closed above, and so far today it's holding, which is very, very good. Now, what you want to do on the downside here is look at this key 50 SMA at 71.40. That's going to be your key support level. Now, if that is lost, then we look right here to this 21. You're sitting at 70.31, and then we look here at the 8-day at 70.11. See, now this is running up real nice. The only question you have to look at here is, you see how this ran up here and then down, ran up here and then down, ran up here, then down. Now, the target for this here is, you're looking at here, is going to be at 73.28 here. That's going to be this candle right here, okay? So that is going to be your target on the way up here. And then obviously if you can get above, then we look at here at this 100 SMA here at 73.89. And then we look at the top of this candle right here. You're looking here at 75.06. Now, if, you know, this 21 and the 8-day, everything is lost, then we look to this candle right here, okay? So you're looking at the low of this of 68.93. Then we come over to this candle here, 68.71. Then we have 68.14. Then we just look at the bottoms here, 67.35, 67.05, and then your big retest here of 66.80. Okay, now you can see how this pattern here is getting a little bit tight, get a little tight. The key is, can it close and stay and maintain above this 50 SMA? That's going to be very, very key level. All right, here on the weekly chart here. Now, this is looking, well, you're above the 8 SMA here, okay? That's always a very good sign. So now on support level is, you want to watch that key 71.33, and obviously this 200 SMA here, if that falls apart, at 67.60. Those are going to be your key levels here. Now, on the upside, you want to watch this 50 SMA or 21 SMA here, sitting at 73.84. Okay, that's going to be very, very key, because when you look at this chart, you see how it just keeps bumping in, bumping in. Now, it got above there a little bit, but it just can't hold it, and it just holding it right on down. So a close above this would be a very, very bullish sign here. And then we obviously can look here for your 50 SMA here down the road, would be at 79.49. But right now, you just want to stay nimble here. Just make sure that all these key support levels here, your 50, your 21, and your 8-day are holding. All right, let's take a look here now at the old natty gas. Okay, here we have natty gas. Now you have your daily and your weekly chart. Now, when you look at this price channel here, you're still holding up pretty good here, okay? And if you look at the bottom of the price channel, it's rising up here now, okay? So it's building that shelf, okay? That's always a good sign. And you have a really long-term trend here, actually a very, very good base building right there. So let's not get too excited here. You're on the upper end of the range here and still looking pretty good. Now what we want to do is, now you're below this key 8 SMA here. So that is going to be your first big resistance here now, sitting at 2.70. If you can get above, then we look at yesterday's top of yesterday's candle here. Okay, so you're looking at 2.793. Then we have 2.82, and then your big retest there is sitting at 2.87. That's your upside. Now, on your downside, watch this key 21 here. Now, since you lost the 8, the 21 is going to be a big in play. So you look at 2.54. That's going to be key support. And then what we're going to do is, we're going to look here at this 50 SMA here, looking at 2.40, and then we have your 100 SMA here sitting at 2.37. So you got good support below. You got good notching on the way up here. That's always a good sign here. So we just have to see here how it's all going to shake out. It still needs a nice big catalyst here, something for get this roaring. But on the upside, watch that key 8 SMA here. That's going to be very, very key resistant levels to go higher. And watch a key 21-day. That's going to be very key support to go lower. All right, I will have more for you this here after pit close here at 2:30 on the crude oil and natural gas. And thanks for watching.